Hi friends, welcome to Talengine. This is the cloud computing sessions. In this video, I will show you what is IAM. The full form of IAM is Identity and Access Management, and how to create an AWS IAM user in Amazon's Web Service. What is IAM? The IAM basically is a web service and it is offered by Amazon's Web Service to securely control access to AWS resources. When you first time create an AWS account, bring with single sign-in identity that has complete access to all AWS service and resources in the AWS account. This identity is called AWS root account. Benefits of using IAM. The identity and access management is a core discipline for any information technology. The first element is identity, which means the verifying that a user is a person or not. The second number is access, which involves determine which user can access which resources inside a network. Now going to practical sessions. This is our AWS account. Click on the service button and under the security, identity and compliance, the service is IAM, the full form of Identity and Access Management. This is the dashboard of Identity and Access Management. Now we want to create one user. Now click on the Add User button. You can add multiple users at once with the same access type and permissions. Now the type, the username. The student. Select the AWS provide to access type. Number 1 is programmatic access. Number 2 is Amazon's management console access. Now basically we are logging using Amazon's management console access. So now and select the custom password, type the password 1234 and here is written the required password reset. User must create a new password in first login. We don't need to change this password, that's why we uncheck these options. And next, permissions. This is the provide the permissions for this user. The add a user to group means we have already create a group. The now next option is copy permissions from existing user. If you already create user and assign some permissions, you decide the same user permissions, create the another user. So that time you can select these options. And number 3 is attach existing policy directly. Means AWS already create by default some service policy related to their services. So now we don't select these options at that time. The next tag and next preview. Here is review. This user has no permissions, means we are not selecting, we are not assign any permissions in this account. The username student, the AWS account access policy, password and permissions boundary is not set. Create users. Now this user is created. Now we need to log in this account using this student user. Now copy this URL and open a new incognito mode. Paste this link on URL tab. And type the usernames is student and password 1234. Now login the AWS management consoles. And when we create this user, we are not assigning any permissions. So that's why in this user don't have any access permissions. So now check it, go to S3 service and showing the error message, the access denied. Thank you watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and get more cloud computing related video.
Subscribe to Talentgen.